again, guys. We're going to show you a little trick that I like to do, which is to create a nice flat surface on the bottom of the shoe for our sole to go on. Now, we here in the UK use a cork filler, which is basically ground up cork mixed with some glue. And this is my favorite thing to use, but unfortunately for our friends in the States, you can't get it there. But you could always try making your own. But if you don't have access to this, one other way of creating a nice flat surface here for the sole to go on is to actually use like a webbing, or in this case, some, scraps of leather. It's just to sort of fill any gaps, and you would continue that all the way around there. But for the sake of this video, we're going to teach you how to use the cork filler. So I usually just do small bits at a time. I'm just going to take about that much there, and I'm going to sort of place it in the gap, and then you just want to kind of squish it in place. The most common mistake people make with this cork filler is that they overdo it and use too much. So sometimes I use a little tool like this. This is actually a nail extractor, but I just find it's very good for scooping, and I can use the handle as a rolling pin like that. So you can see I'm creating a really flat surface there for our sole to go on. So I'm going to continue that for you and show you how to look. Okay, so if you have a look now, you can see I've filled that entire gap with the cork filler, and that's now left us with a really nice flat surface for us to put our sole on.